So now I have cut this part, as you can see. Now this is very, very important when you're doing the graduation spot. It's very important, this part, because this is more like a foundation. Once you have cut this part, the rest of the hair is going to sit on the hair. Is really, really important. So now you can do this. As you can see, it's coming like a V. Can you see here? It's coming like a V. So you can put either your comb just like this, or either you can bring it down and put your finger on top, and you can cut it this way. And then the other one, you bring this one down, and then you cut it exactly the same way. After you've done that, now the hair, it will be coming down nicely, nice V. Then what we're going to do, we're going to start taking step by step. It's very easy section. Just follow the guideline, and you bring this one down. You bring it down. And now I just bring this one down nicely, gently, and follow the guideline. Don't do anything, just natural, down, and then cut to the same guideline. Not too much difference at all. You can see, just follow your guideline. You seen it? Try to not make your sections too thick. And then once you've done that, just bring this one. If you want to go down, you can start gradually, start coming down like this. It's just up to you. If you want, as you can see here, don't move your head, darling. You can see, straight. Yeah, no, don't move. That's it. So you can see, you can bring it down a bit more gradual. Like this. Now, if you take this one a little bit from here, then you make hair a bit more straighter. It's depend how you want to go. So the point is here. If you follow the guideline, then you have to take a little bit more straight. So I take this here, and you can see, and I'm going a little bit more straight. Now you've seen it. It's gone a little bit more straight. Little bit more straight. Now this one is going to be very soft graduation. So if you want to make very sharp graduation, then obviously you will start taking a little bit more, leave it front, getting more longer. So slowly. What I do also, every time when I start cutting one side, I take the other side, same, exactly the same section. Same section. That way you get perfect, nice, even both sides, so you never go wrong. So always you get nice equal amount both sides. So now we're getting here, bring this hair down, just make it nice round so you know where your hair is. It's just important that really you just follow your guideline. The client's position, it have to be right. No leg crossing in this haircut. You don't do the leg crossing. Making sure the client is not crossing their leg is really, really important. And check it both sides. The hair is coming already is similar length. And as you can see, this here. Now I can straight away with one scissors, I can go down and make it nice cut, but I'm doing it slowly, step by step, so you can see more easier. Now, this part here, really don't need to be cut too much. As you can see here, this corner is not too long. So I'm gonna just go tiny bit. And now, when I bring this one down, as you can see here, nicely, it's become that even. Now, I take my last section. Now, if you want to, the last section, every time take one small section, bring it down, and then cut this nicely, bring it down, and you will see it starts getting nice soft graduation. You seen it? How the hair is nicely, it's sitting perfectly, nicely coming down. It's really, the way you're holding the scissors, it can make huge difference the way that the bob is sitting. So again, not bringing all this hair down, you just take a small section, leave this one here, and bring it this one down, and taking this part of the hair. Now you bring it this one down, and take the next section. The next section, you bring it down, same, and you see the hair, it starts sitting perfectly. Perfect. Just a little bit here longer. So, as I say, the base is always its foundation. You have to cut the base correctly to make sure your hair is sitting nicely. Because if you don't cut the base correctly, and then your bob always is going to be one side longer than the other side. So, if the hair is too much, then take it down and do it gradually. This way, you never go wrong. Do it small section, and then eventually just take the last piece, and you can see how the hair is sitting nicely. Sometimes when the hair is not sitting nicely, because we cut the hair too thick section in one go, and that's why the hair will never sit nice. So if you do one small section, then the hair always is going to be perfect. Always is going to be perfect. Now we come in to this section here. Now we're taking one small sections from here. We're bringing this one down nicely. All we need to do is very simple. Just bring your comb. If you want to, just take one small sections from here, and you can do this way as well, like this here, and take one small section. Can you see? And then take the next one. You seen it? That's one way you can do it, and now gradually this is coming down. The other one you can do, bring this hair down and put your comb like this, and you cut it like this one's coming down. That's another way you can do it. So it's really, they have different way. Now I bring the next one. I take one small section again from here. I have my guideline. The finger is just really important. You bring the finger down like this. The next one, you take it like this. Can you see? Look at that. Absolutely amazing. This is the way the hair is just coming down. So if I comb it, you will see better. Look at that. The hair is just coming down here, like this gradually. Now I take the other side. Again, I take one section from here, and now I bring this one up like this. You can see I take one small section, exactly the same way I did the other side. I take this hair down like this, and then I cut this small piece. You seen it? How easy is that? Now I take the next one, and then I cut this section as well. Now, again, if I was cutting with a comb just down, then I will bring my comb down like this, and then I will cut it just like that and follow my comb. And as you can see, it's gradually the hair is coming down. Now I take my next piece. Again, I take half of the hair. That's called natural fall. Natural fall, that means you're not over directing the hair, so you're just bringing the hair as naturally as it's coming down, and you cut that hair. Next one, you're taking this here. Look at that. Now, in this hair is really one important part, that when you're finishing the hair, you start texturizing it, and you start how to say is the word, to find the right word. You're making the hair, you're tailoring the hair. So what's mean tailoring the hair? After you blow dried it, then you will start tailoring the hair, kind of like texturizing it this way to make the hair to sit down on top of each other nicely. And also the second part, when you start doing graduation, to not go too straight, a little bit forward diagonal. So you're doing this way, taking the section, and when you're bringing it down, graduation, and then you're doing it again pointed this way. That make perfect nice blend. Now I'm going to blow dry it, and then I will show you the final texturizing it as well. If you have any question meanwhile, leave your questions and I will come back with answer. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.